bitches. I guess I'm about to fucking go over there. Fuckers. Get me on this goddamn podcast. What the... Hey, what's up? Oh, God, I'm fucking fat. How are y'all doing? Alright. Doing about the same. Thank God for this beer, because I'm in misery, man. Shit. What's not to be miserable? By the way, I'm not waiting on someone to stop by and kill me. Sorry, I put a question mark at the end of that. Fuck. I'm just kidding. So how are y'all doing? Let me drink this beer before I fucking have to entertain you jackasses. God. You know when you're a kid and you fucking tasted or smelled beer and you're like, God, those fuckers are losers for drinking that shit. Yeah, you're pretty much right. But anyway, now it tastes pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Tastes pretty good. Check, check, check. So, tell me about y'all. How are y'all doing? I mean, it's I've always wanted to do a podcast here for almost fucking 2.5 years now. This fucking catty-cornered little fucking boy with the fucking wine glasses. Of course, why wouldn't I want to do one here? It's fucking perfect. Plus, I gotta wait on the lawnmower. And the lawnmower delivery person. So whenever his bitch ass or her bitch ass wants to show up, we get a new lawnmower. And then I get to go. There they are. I'm just kidding. You got excited though. You thought it was the fucking lawnmower people. It wasn't. I'm just being a dick. I do hear a rumbling. And I keep looking back like a nervous chihuahua. So, you're not wrong. Whoa. Anyway. It's been a long life. It's been a long fucking life, dude.